Hey everyone, glad to see you back. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Just wanted to do a real quick little video. It's going to be pretty short um, about the Hercules Harbor Freight brand router. I was needing a router. I dedicated my other plunge router to basically to nothing but slab flattening. So I kind of wanted to go grab a router I could use for kind of every other purpose except for my trim router. So I went by Harbor Freight and picked up the Hercules. I'd heard a couple of good things about it, but I found out something pretty interesting that hopefully somebody maybe can answer for me down in the comments when I get to it. So let's go. Okay, so I didn't do an unboxing or anything because I really wasn't even planning on doing anything until I noticed something once I pulled this router out of the box. Please forgive the shop. I've got like 4 projects going on at the same time right now, so we'll kind of make this short and sweet. So basically, I pulled it out and I thought it looked awfully familiar. It's good quality. It comes with a fixed base as well as the plunge base. Seems like a really good router. Locking mechanism back here for the plunge base. Nice little dust extraction here. It's also got one built into the fixed base as well. Place for your edge guides here to go in. I put them up. I don't typically use them often, but got a depth gauge here, depth gauge stop. So anyway, looks like a pretty solid router. And then it dawned on me where I had seen it before. My skill. This is actually the router I've dedicated to slab flattening. And other than just a couple of small components, I don't know. You tell me. Pretty much looks the same. Now, granted, my skill is the one with the digital speed readout and everything, but when you look at everything with the router, maybe there's something I don't know. Maybe they are made in the same factory. Maybe they're made by the same company. I really was unsure, and nothing really popped out when I did a quick search online, but I'll admit I didn't search very deep. But, I mean, it's undeniable. They are basically identical. So I'm going to use this Hercules for a couple of weeks, and then I'm going to get back with this same video here and kind of tell you my first impressions and what I think about it. And since this is YouTube, that's going to happen for me in a couple of weeks and for you in a couple of seconds, like now. Wow, that was like a time warp. Anyway. I've been using it for a couple of weeks. Got a couple of things I just do want to show you that I forgot to mention that it did come with. And well, one thing I mentioned I didn't show you though in the video. But hey, I tell you what, this Hercules router has really impressed me. I'm going to go out and say honestly, I can't tell a difference between it and the skill that I've been using for, I think, a little over a year and a half now. Really, honestly, cannot tell the difference between the two. So that's pretty impressive. Way to go, Harbor Freight, with the Hercules router. So if anybody is interested, you can look at Harbor Freight. I don't have any affiliation with them. They didn't sponsor this video or anything like that. So this is just my honest opinion. Super, super amazing router. Definitely one I'd pick up at more than half the cost of what you're going to pay for one of the others. So a couple of things that did come with. I wanted to go ahead and show you the fixed base that it comes with. Just like the other one, nice little dust port that picks up everything pretty well. Only used it one time to see how the dust collection worked on it. So, but it also comes with another plate for the bottom in case you do want to put a larger bit. This is actually something I wish my skill had have come with, because when I fixed or changed my skill over to doing nothing but slab flattening, I actually had to use a piece of acrylic and cut a hole in it because the base for my router didn't have a big enough hole for the 2-inch surfacing bit that I've been using. So good job for them to put this in there. That's all I got. I hope this helped you. If you're looking for a router, see you in the next video.